Welcome to our company. We from Baoomax Construction Machinery Company Limited. It belongs to Baoomax Group, made engaged in the production of skid loaders, wheel loaders, backhoe loaders, buckets, excavators, and other earth-moving and construction machinery. Baoomax headquarters located in Weifang, Shandong Province. Its production base is located in Shandong, Jiangsu, and Zhejiang Province, with Weifang District International Trade Department, Qingdao Sales branch. Now our products are popular selling not only in China and domestic, but also more than 60 countries in the world like Australia, USA, Canada, Sweden, Brazil, France, Germany, South Africa, and so on. Baoomax has a specialized technical team and a high-quality work team which can provide timely services and customers in every stage of sales with strong to your satisfaction. Which the greatest value to our clients by Baoomax products and services our game. We understand that our job is unique and we strive to provide equipment that can be customized to meet the special needs of customers. Whether you are a contractor, landscaper, farmer, or homeowner, our machines can help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. We sincerely hope to work together with you and establish win-win cooperation. Warmly welcome your visiting.